Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Whop community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove an admin or a team member from your Whop community? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different assistants, and sometimes they go their own way. So you need to remove access to your Whop community. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process handled here in your Whop account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Whop account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove an admin or one of your team members, you're going to click on dashboard here on the left. It looks like a rocket. Okay, once you do that, you'll see your Whop communities. You can see mine right here. And in order to remove an admin here on the top, you want to click on team. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of the admins and team members in your Whop community. You can see I just have these two. It's me and this person. Now, in order to remove someone, here to the right of their name, you're going to click on these three dots right here. Okay, once you click there, you'll see this drop down menu, and you want to click on remove user. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up asking you to confirm that you'd like to remove that person. They do let you know once you remove them, they will not have access to this company unless you re-add them. If you're okay with that, click on remove user. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the team member or admin has now been removed, so they no longer have access to my Whop community. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or a team member in your Whop community, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.